Welcome back to Tom's Garage again, boys and girls. Good morning. It's actually after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But today, Echo PB-500T backpack blower. We're going to replace the fuel lines. It's getting some age on it. We got a pumper. We got a pumper. Let's do it. Let's do it. I had to put a piece of tape on that. That is just about to break off. And I don't want it to break off with me. It's true. All right, first thing we're going to do is get these two lines off of here. Remember, the black line goes towards you. It does. Get my finger in there and see if I can't grab that little screwdriver. Grab me a little screwdriver. Push that clamp off there. Come on, little clamp, get off there. There you go. Do. If I can get behind it, I can push it off. I don't know why I'm fighting with it. I'm going to replace it anyway. Unscrew the cap, let the pressure off so it'll quit squirting gasoline. I can keep from losing that little clamp right there. We'll be all right. There we go. We got it. For those about to cut up the side of it. There we go. I don't know where it went, but it went somewhere. We need some light. Let's see, I'll put the light over there. All right. Trying to do this without disturbing that grommet. Trying to do it without disturbing that grommet. I can get my blade in there. Here we go. Here we go. Pow. Okay. Okay. Let's see, that'll be 532, it is. All right, what we'll do is cut the strap right there, little zip tie. And then we'll take this loose. Okay, we'll fish it through here. And then we'll fish that down through yonder. There you go. There you go. I'm going to leave a little extra length on these, because it sure is pulled awful tight to me. All right. All right. Let's find another size. I don't believe that's the size we need. That's about the size we need right there. You got thin wall and thick wall. Let's see, this is a thick wall and this is a thin wall. And that's the original. Still got a piece on there. See if we can't pull that off. There we go. Come out of there, buddy. Come out of there, buddy. I thought I had it. There we go. Okay, let's see, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? This is the original. Perfect. Perfect. And the size we need. Somebody was asking me the other day about the size fuel line I use. I order it by the 4 sizes and it comes in a 4-foot pack. You've got 4 different sizes. You can tell by looking at them. And I'll show you what size they are because I got them on Amazon. Let's see, there's another pack right there. I ordered 2 packs. And it comes in, look that right there. The smallest one is a 2mm inside by 3.5 millimeter outside. Then you got a 2.5 millimeter inside, 5 outside. 3 millimeter inside, 5 millimeter outside. Another 3 millimeter inside, 6 millimeter outside. Right there. Wow. And all I did on Amazon was typed in 2-stroke fuel line. It'll pop up for you. That's popular stuff. Very popular. All right, let's figure out which one we need for this. What I'm going to do is cut it, because these ends are stretched out and I can't really go by that. By the looks of it, it's going to be that one right there. Or is it that one right there? I believe it's that one right there. So I'll set this aside over there. Boom. And we'll leave a little extra because we cut the end of it off. I'll leave that much. Come back to there. Got a little extra. Okay. Okay. That's the original. This black one's a lot longer. That's good. We'll trim it. We'll trim it off. We'll try to see if we can slide it back in this little protective case. There it is. There it is. And we'll see if we can fish it back up through here. Grab my other needly nose. Feed that through there like that. Don't lose it. Come up through there like that. Okay. Now we'll take the green and we'll We'll plug the green into that one right back there. Okay. Is it all the way on? I can hardly tell. Yep, it's all the way on. Now we'll plug the black into it. Right about there. That little spot right there. If I can get it to start. Right there. Make sure it goes all the way on. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All right. Make sure we get this back on. Oop, I just lost it. Come back here. See, it's got a hex design on there, so it'll go just like that. Put the throttle cable back in there like that. Pull that down, that keeps the dust out. That goes there like that. Put the green one in here like that. Put the black line on top of that one. Just like that. Just like that. Make sure it goes all the way in. All right. Stand her back up. I think I'll have lost that little clamp. It's not necessary. What have I done with it? Where'd it go? I laid it down somewhere. Laid her down somewhere. But I laid it on the table over here. Did I drop it in the floor? I don't see it. Where'd my little hose clamp go? Well, I don't believe we're going to use it anyway, so it's not important. Where'd my green one go? There it is. Pull some slack out. Pull some of this conduit back. Just like that. This is the fun part. I'm gonna get, let's see, I'm gonna get this gas cap out of the way. I may end up, no, I won't either. Let's see. Point that direction. Another pair of pliers to hold that little grommet right there. I can Get this in there like that. I need to just pull that grommet out, is what I need to do. But I'm gonna try to get in there and get this back on it without pulling that grommet. Let y'all trade tabs. Around here like that. Don't let it whoop you. Don't let it whoop you. There we go. We'll just pull it out. Make it easier to get to. This little thing has got fuel all over it. So slippery. So slippery. No, I ain't gonna cut it. Boy, this thing's hard to hold on to. You get slick. Grab my other smaller pair of needle nose. I got so much oil in my hands and gas, it just, ugh, can't get a grip on it. And just keep working it. This is the return. Just make sure you get it all the way on there. There, that's good. Do 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 do. All right, there's that one. Whew. I can't pull this one out because it's got the other pickup line hooked to the other end of it. So let me go over, take you over here. This one's going to be a booger, or at least it's going to try to be. Let me try an old trick here. Try an old trick here. Ooh, you can't hang on to it, everything's so chic. Give it a little stretch. Give it a little stretch. Well, I may have to go ahead and pull that grommet out. It ain't gonna let me do it. No big deal. We don't owe it nothing. Yeah. Yeah, let's just pop this grommet out. We'll just pop the grommet out if we can. Ow. Ooh, boy, this thing is fighting me. Whew. Fighting. Sorry, though, we'll get it. We're gonna win, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. 'Cause we ain't scared. If I can even get in there to it. Ooh, almost had it. Get on there, little fuel line. We got 1 million people watching, hoping I can do it. Trying to keep my elbow out of your way. Ooh, almost had it. Keep on working it, Dobie. Keep on working it. Keep on working it. Well, if I could just pop that grommet out of there, everything will be all right. Get a bigger screwdriver. That's what we need. You always need a bigger screwdriver. Let's get this out of the way. Whew. Well, I tell you, if we get this grommet out, I'm afraid it's going to be too hard to get it back in. So we'll just keep fighting with it. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. Keep on working it. You gotta be easy with it though. You don't want to make a pinhole in it like it was before. Take my cigarette lighter and heat it up a little bit. All right, we've been. Whew. All right, let's pull some of the shellac out of it. There we go. Just like that. And there you go. New fuel lines on a PB-500T. Oh, I just dumped gas out of it. It is February 4th. We had snow a couple of weeks ago, a few weeks ago. It is February 4th. That's why I ain't got my boggin on. You see me sweating. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, and it is 80 degrees in here. 80 degrees in February. That's why my phone's ringing off the hook. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. It is, it's crazy. Now next week is probably going to be 10 for a high. I was trying to keep from breaking that thing. I just don't want it to break with me. All right, good enough. Make sure she purges. Probably got no gas left in it. There it goes. No leaks anywhere. That's good. Ooh, well, I threw my back out just then. Oh, I can't be bent over like that at a crazy angle. Ooh. Well, all right, boys and girls, thanks for watching another Tom W video. Replacing the fuel lines on the Echo PB-500T backpack blower. Y'all be good, boys and girls. I love y'all to death. Y'all holler if you need me. Nature vitamins and vegetables. And Lord, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all be good.